Hello everybody, hi to all. Today I want to pick this log, 16 elements in this log, and have 10 sliders, 5 right side, 5 left side, balance here, and balance here. And we have between one row of 6 pins, do diametral K pins, and driver pins we not we can't watch to see. So I feel this is not mushrooms, nothing. Not this is made in China. This log. Not this is not difficult log. This is many elements of bad quality, so this is take time sometime not no, I don't know how to say what is it this log. But we have another problem. We have problem with this log, with picking of this log. Why? Because we not have tensioner. If I was have tensioner, I say picking was from 1.5 no 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes maximum, not more from 3 minutes this log. Not more. New what I don't know, no, how it's work, what kind, not what kind of, but I understand in picking process. So this is K. We have this no codes. I don't know. No, many people's interesting, and me too. Before picking what going on the K, because I I watch how picker work. I remember what kind of high of elements in the log. So okay, to talk I can very many time, but my English not so good. Okay, now I just want this. I push this teeth ring, another tension I not have. I have many tensions I make, but all this prototype. I don't know how to say prototype. This is something what not will in using, but this say this is the right choice or not. This is spring. You give little power, little. So on teeth, it's come many. I can to start to work with this moment, and I can't open the lock with this tensioner. But no, I don't want very many time. So, and I need to make something now. After I have very many something different things what I want to use. This is not good because not have place and metal. All this, all what you see now, this is not ready. This is just ideas. And this idea, if one teeth in, one teeth out, and I make polish, and I make this teeth ring, no, not a ring, not have corners, and very, very polish, very, not meet something, no, мешает. So, and then I cut K without elements, and it was broken. I want to pick from here it's make it was broken. You see here, and you maybe here we not can to see this moment little. Okay, yes, this so this line was it was long like K. No, this is from K. And I put this in a device like this, and it was like it's broke, no break. And I put in the side this idea, and I understand after all I need something one very good, very no perfect for working here because many elements and you need. So we start how many times? 6 minutes. 6 minutes. First I make a little zipping, not very many zipping, just for make no sliders asking. No, in full activation. Nice. Okay. Three, because 5 and 3, three not low but middle, and 5 very low. First and second and third and 4 no high. Nice. Rotor move little, and now we test. Just a moment. Now we test here. First, second, third, 4. Okay, and now middle cross. I don't know. Nice. 5, 4, 3, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. And now I need to test here. First, second, third, 4, and 5. 5 not finished. We need to finish him. Nice. Good. Okay, and no, no. Good. First, make good click. Okay. Nice. Second. We need to take corner now. Move of rotor and corner. Nice. Nice. And nice. Six, very, very high and first. Nice. Now this is look another. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 5, not finished. First, second, third, 4, 5. Nice. Rotor move. And now we test here what going with 5. 5, I think not so, no, excellent. And first, ask, second, ask. First, second, 4. 5, no. First, second, third. 4 not move and 5 not move. Just a moment. I say this not finished. Like in MT5, some moment work sliders and pins. How to say this? I don't know. And if I say this, I not believe many people know this moment. Pickers, I mean. Standard men don't know this information. Nice. 5, 4, first, second, third, 4 and 5. Okay. First, second, third, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's open. Just I don't understand what keep this pin. Keep, I feel. It can't to be something another. But this is not. You see what I need to make from start position. Not from start, no, before. Now I just make this, and this is not good. Just a moment. First, no, second, third. That's all here. I enter nice. No, and 5. Come on, 5 more. Nice. First, second, third, 4, 5. And now here we just test everything good. Okay. 4, when I enter 4, I open this. Now, what I try to enter, when I enter these elements, so everything to be good. But something keep him. Maybe 5 out little, I need to move this little. Maybe 4. Tension, I need to make all problem because tensioner. If I was have normal tensioner, I say it was picked before what time? 15 minutes here. But picking not 15 minutes. Nice. Open. This is open. So, ladies and gentlemen, I not make more videos because very not easy to pick him without tensioner. Problem tensioner, not how to say, not lock. Good lock, interesting lock. No, not more from this. I pick him many times, and I pick him quickly. From when I have this lock, I pick him after. It was quickly. It's not take very many time. We can to see that on the photos on my channel. So we move for. I don't know if we can. I think no, we can't. So open and close. That's all. And I need to back this lock, but I want to talk with this man to cut this part. Not work good, and I make maybe it will working more good. The second part, maybe not. I have locks of Paul. I have something very interesting. This is in process. Yes. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day and have a nice time. Goodbye. Bye.